Hello everyone, it's Caribbean E. Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's just having a good day and everything is going well for you and that you are in the best of health and that you're safe. Hello to all my new subscribers, far and wide. Today I just want to give you an update on coronavirus and the precautionary measures from the mayor of Santiago, Dominican Republic. And he put out some information to the city. Until the 31st of March, there's some shutdowns that's in effect as of right now. First of all, the clubs and the bars are closed, and they call them discos. They're closed until the 31st of March, 2020. Okay, fitness centers are closed. Okay, they have food parks. Some of the food parks will still be open, but they want you to get your food, take the food home. They don't want you to eat it out in public around other people. They want you to get your food from the food parks and take the food home. Okay, and this is as of right now to see how this is going to work. If people abuse it, then the food parks will be closed. Okay, schools are also closed. All the schools in Santiago in the Dominican Republic are closed effective right now. I don't know how long they're going to be closed, but I know a lot of this is taking effect until the 31st of March of this month. Parks, you can go to the parks, but if you're going to run, go and run and go home. Run yourself home, okay? Don't be out. There's no large gathering. There's no sporting events outside in public. They want everybody to stay separated. If you're going to jog, you do your running. No obstacle courses, but do your running in the park and run yourself home and be contained at your house. Most of the government buildings are closed, okay? I heard some people are standing in line at some buildings to try to get some things taken care of, but for the most part, the government buildings here in Santiago, Dominican Republic are effective closed. Cultural centers are closed. Movie theaters are closed. And this is from the mayor of Santiago, okay? He's just pushing home confinement for 2 weeks, okay? Until March the 31st. He will determine at that point the next steps we should take as he's given instructions from the Minister of Health who is monitoring the whole situation here in the country, okay? There's some restaurants that will be closed, okay? Effective today at 3:30, McDonald's will be closed. You can't go inside, period. You do takeout, drive up, order online, delivery, all that good stuff. But the front door will be closed. Will be closed. All kids' playgrounds are closed. When kids congregate together and kick the ball and do frisbees or whatever they may be doing, and on the monkey bars and things like that, and on the slides and the swings, that is closed until further notice, okay, for your kids. No events, no sporting events allowed at this time, and this is just basically just another update on the situation, on the health situation in Santiago, Dominican Republic. We've got 21 cases of the virus, 21 cases, and 1 death, okay? So I just wanted to give you guys an update. So you guys are coming here or you guys are already here, okay, you know what to expect. You come to Santiago. Don't look to come out to party, hang out in the clubs, or other things that you do when you come, because that's not going to happen, okay, for a minute, at least until 2 weeks. And after that, they're going to come and they're going to discuss, and they're going to figure out what's the next step. Basically, I love it because it's keeping everybody safe. We have an awesome mayor here in the city of Santiago. I take my hat off to him. I'm glad he got reelected. He's an excellent guy. He keeps the city clean. He's doing something for the city, for the people of Santiago, Dominican Republic. I take my hat off. I never met the gentleman before, but I tell you what, I give him respect I love him. I appreciate what he's doing. I appreciate walking down the street, clean streets. I ain't got to stumble over a bunch of trash, okay? I appreciate what he's doing. I wish him good health, him and his family. And my prayers go out to all of the city of Santiago and the whole country as well. Guys, stay safe, be vigilant, watch your surroundings. Don't get too close to people because you don't know what they got, they don't know what you got. You just can't be sure, okay? Stay safe, and again, continue to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification subscription, and until the next time, remember, life is to be enjoyed. Peace.